By February, the tax forms have started rolling in, but most entrepreneurs and executives are heads down, focusing on Q1 execution. And that's exactly why this is the right time to do one small thing that makes the rest of tax season easier. This month's one thing is a 10-minute tax block that does double duty. You're going to look forward to tax season 2026, and you're going to look back at tax season 2025. First, the 2026 gut check. Step 1, grab your 2025 baseline. If your return is done, use that. If not, use your final 2025 pay stub and your bookkeeping reports. What you're looking for is a rough idea of two numbers. First, what did you earn in 2025? Second, how much of that tax did you actually pay through withholding or estimated tax payments? Now, step 2 here, look at where 2026 is headed. Pull your year-to-date numbers, and I know it's early, but pull what you've got so far from a recent pay stub or a quick report from your bookkeeping and accounting system, and then ask a simple question. Is 2026 shaping to be higher or lower, or about the same as 2025? If your business is up, your compensation is higher, or you have big deals in the pipeline or equity events on the calendar, you've got to assume higher, not lower. Now, step 3, compare your tax payments. If income is up, but your withholding and your estimates are flat or clearly behind, that's a big red flag. Now, you don't need to be perfect projecting this, but you can identify a mismatch with a quick look. And you just need to notice if your income is moving faster than your tax payments. And if it is, make one small adjustment. Either increase the withholding on your paycheck, make a note to bump up your next estimated tax payment, or better yet, email your CPA or advisor and let them know, hey, my 2026 income looks meaningfully higher than 2025. Can we run a quick projection? The goal here is not perfection. The goal is to avoid having the how did this happen tax bill come next April. Now, with the rest of the 10 minutes you blocked for taxes, let's look backward and set up your 2025 tax organizer. Now, create a file called Tax 2025. It could be digital or physical. What matters is that everything goes in one place. And if you're a client of Pleasant Street Wealth Advisors, your 2025 tax organization letter is in the mail. It should be hitting your inbox this week. It will list all the documents to collect and any key events that occurred in 2026 to make sure that your CPA files your taxes correctly. Now, drop all the tax documents that are already arriving into this folder. That should be your W-2s, your 1099s, K-1s, bookkeeping reports, P&Ls, and income statements, expense records, confirmation of stock sales, options exercise, RSU vests, just make sure it matches with your W-2, and any 83B elections that you made this year. Some folks might want to also include year-end brokerage statements to keep track of cost basis, or the purchase of a new house if you had an event like that last year. And records for retirement contributions, HSA contributions, property taxes, mortgage interest, and any major charitable gifts. You don't have to necessarily organize every line item. You just need to make sure that nothing is buried in your inbox or scattered across half a dozen folders. For most people, tax stress comes more from the chaos of filing and organizing than the actual bill itself. This simple system removes a lot of that chaos. So your February one thing is a 10-minute tax block that does two jobs: a 2026 gut check to avoid surprises, and a 2025 organizer so that you can file faster with fewer headaches. Now, if you want to go a step further, here's another action. Take my Strategic Wealth Scorecard. It's a 3-minute assessment that helps you evaluate whether your wealth strategy and your tax strategy are actually aligned with your vision for the future. You'll see very quickly how your tax strategy operates, where you're exposed, and what to prioritize next. So if you only do one thing for your financial situation this month, block 10 minutes on your calendar and do your tax gut check, and then take the Strategic Wealth Scorecard. Your future self will be very glad that you did. Have a great month, and we look forward to seeing you in March.